Hello viewers, in this video we are discussing the oxidative mechanism of cellulose degradation. Cellobiose dehydrogenase, that is CDH, oxidizes free ends created by endo-acting cellulases and prevents recondensation of the cellulose chain. Product inhibition is prevented by the removal of cellobiose, as the high concentration of this disaccharide inhibit cellulases. CDH can produce Fe2 plus and H2O2 by the reduction of Fe3 plus and oxygen. Together they form hydroxyl radicals which depolymerizes or modifies the cellulose. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you for the watching.